Hello, guys. Welcome to our live trading session. Hello, Victor. Hello, everyone. Just give me a few seconds. I need to check if everything is working. So, if you can let me know in the chat, that would be great. So, let me know if you can hear me. If you can hear me. Hello, Lorenzo. Hello again. Okay. Let me know if you can hear me. And we're gonna start. I will double check, but everything should be good. It looks fine for me. So it all should be working. So can you hear me, guys? Let me know. Let me know if you can hear me. I'm gonna open microeconomic calendar straight away. Hello, Valentin. Guys, let me know if you got sound. Yes, good. Thank you. Thank you for that. So let's start our live trading session. This morning, we were focused on all-in ASAP strategy, mostly. Uh, we made a plan on crude oil, and I've opened position using that plan. I'm not sure how about you, but I've opened the position and I got profit nearly $6,000. And I think another trade on crude oil for reaction is open. Let me just check. No, it's closed now. Okay. Because order for reaction in the first place, I was talking about 1-to-1 risk to reward. Okay. And like you can see, 1-to-1 should be done already. Trade should be closed. But I was a little bit greedy and I moved my take profit to 1-to-2 because I had nice profit from the first trade. And now I got stopped out on break even, maybe small loss, plus $67. Okay, it doesn't matter. But the other trades, where is it? 3,000, not 6,000, $3,587 this morning. Let me show you what I mean. Let's go through the trade which I made plan this morning. So let's go to trading journal, because on every single session, if I do not open any position, we always make a plan so we can use it later, because sometimes we need to wait for the perfect entry, for the perfect candle, or for the perfect situation. So this morning, our target was here. This is target from all-in ASAP strategy. And like you can see on the screen, price was moving towards target. And I told you there is a area down here, the green area, what you can see. So I told you I'm gonna wait for the price drop to this area, and if there's gonna be reaction in this area and I'm gonna see nice signal candle, I will open the position. And I did it. Let me just show you. I'm gonna remove that so we can see, and this is that situation over here. Look at this. 1 second. Okay. That was the area I was talking about. This one here. And the price dropped to this area. Look at this, our plan from the session. This is the plan. Trend line over here, support resistance zone. There was small imbalance here, but I didn't want to mix it with all in ASAP. But yes, there was imbalance, and that was the trigger. So let's go back. The price dropped down, and this candle here, you can see signal candle. So I've opened the position. I thought I'm gonna be able to do it with risk to reward 1-to-3, but I couldn't do that. 1-to-2 was good. Something like this with the stop loss a little bit lower, and before target the trade was closed. So nice trade. I'm not sure if anyone use it. Just to make clear, this is not signal providing session and you are trading at your own risk. But there was a plan. I used it, and the price did exactly what I wanted to see. So in these situations, I'm not thinking if my plan is ready. I'm not thinking about opening the position. If I see that situation, what I'm looking for, I just need the perfect candle and the trade is open. And this trade gave me $3,587. Trade from yesterday, $5,394. So we got already more than 8,000, nearly $9,000 of profits with just two trades, guys. And that is very important. You don't need to open hundreds of trades to make nice profits. Just wait for perfect situation. And if you don't have opportunity to open the trade in one day, leave it. Leave it till next day. You don't need to open positions every single day. All right. So we got nice profit today. And we're gonna have a look for more setups because I can open one more setup today. No more. Basically, I had two trades open, but one was on break even. So okay, I can still open one more. One was from yesterday, so it doesn't count. So we're gonna look for another one, and hopefully, I'm gonna be able to open the trade during this session also. But I got nice profit this morning, so probably the risk will be a little bit lower. I usually do that. If I got nice profit, sometimes I lower my risk because I don't want to lose my profit, which I make this morning. Hello, Anna. So, guys, this session we're gonna focus on the price action cycle strategy. We're gonna jump to 5 minutes time frame, maybe to 3 minutes time frame. And to be honest, this strategy is working the best on tick charts, range charts. So if you got tick charts, it's perfect for this strategy. I'm using 5 minutes time frame and 3 minutes time frame, which is okay for me. Okay, but maybe if you are a beginner or you're just starting with this strategy, it might be hard for you to spot some setups. Okay, on 5 minutes time frame, it will be easier for you on the tick chart. All right. So what's going on today? If you can help me, guys, because I know you know price action strategy. So what kind of day is it today? Is it range day or is it trend day? Let's have a look. We are looking at current day, of course, and let's have a look at Asian session. So what happened during Asian session? Was the price moving in the range or was it trend? Because we got different setups in range days and we got different setup in trend days. Okay, so we need to define what kind of day is it today. Mm. So if a trend, okay, uh, Asia was trend. Yes, that's correct. Asia was trend. We can see that straight away. Uh, of course, we can add some rotation channel to make sure that was a trend. Yes, price was moving in rotation channel. The price was moving down. Now the situation changed. Okay, we still got trend day, but price is moving opposite direction. Why? Maybe because a three leg measure move was done. Let's check from the beginning of the day. That was first leg. Second leg was done over here, and the third leg nearly done. No, they done it just in point. Okay, over here. So what can we expect after three legs measure move? 1 second, because my AI in my phone is talking to me. Okay. But whole day is range in my option. Mm, Not really. I cannot agree with you because the first we are looking at first part of the day, so we are looking at Asian session. In Asian session, for sure, we were dealing with trend. Okay, so the price was moving down, like you can see, rotating in rotation channel. Maybe if you look at the whole day, okay, maybe the price is moving in some kind of range, but we want to get more into detail. So we got bearish move in the morning during Asian session. We got three legs measure move done. So after three legs measure move, we do not expect a continuation. Of course, many times we will see continuation, maybe fourth, fifth leg, but I'm not looking for setups for continuation. So after three legs, we can look for reversal, and that happened over here. So we got bullish impulse over here, and maybe we gonna have change of direction and we're gonna go up. Nearly close to the high of today. Let me just remove that rotation channel in this Asian box. Basically, I'm gonna remove everything. 100% bearish trend, realized three legs, and bullish trend. That's right, yes. So we are looking at this impulse right here, okay? Let's measure this impulse because we need to find where is our pullback zone, because I want to use it. Okay. Full. Price came back to our pullback zone, which is good. Mm, okay, that's our pullback zone. Open of the day, it's right here. I'm gonna mark open of the day because I think it's worth checking that. You can see the price was reacting at open of the day, let's say over here, here, just in point. So open of the day is quite important for the market, especially on crude oil. This is gold, but you can see also reactions at this level. So this is open of the day. All right. Okay, so we got strong impulse now. Let's try to find rotation channel. Maybe we're gonna check the top first. And we have some kind of rotation channel. Okay, so we got some reactions over here. From the top, we got at least three reactions. Okay, at least four reactions. At the bottom, we got two reactions, which is good. And something is changing here. I think we might have opportunity to open the trade now because we got some kind of trend line, resistance line over here, but we need to check micro rotation. Maybe it's gonna be better to jump into 3 minutes time frame. Yes, we can do that because we got micro rotation over here, bullish micro rotation. So maybe we're gonna use one of our straight setup because the price came back. They nearly touch exponential moving average, which is good. But I want to check micro rotation from the beginning of the day to make sure we are in the right rotation. I'm pretty sure we are, but we need to check that. So we got rotation over here, bullish rotation right here. Then we had a bearish rotation. I can say this whole probably impulse down here, bearish rotation. Then we got bullish rotation. This is some kind of rotation. Price was rotating. Bearish one. Bullish 100% is over here. Then we got bearish rotation. And we got first try, second try, three tries already of sellers. Victor, yeah, now I see this not range. I was wrong. Yeah, that's okay, that's okay. So here, I think it's looking pretty good because we got bullish rotation and we got breakout through trend line over here. So we might have a continuation, but These candles are okay, quite strong. And now the price slowed down a little bit. So maybe it's gonna be better for the drop, maybe to this area over here. And if we're gonna retest this trend line and we're gonna see nice bullish reaction, it might be better opportunity for us to open the trade. Like you can see, the price a little bit slowed down. So let's wait few more moments. And we got imbalance, which probably we can use it in our trade. So where will be our second leg measure move? Let's check this out. Okay, here is our second leg measure move. It's quite high, actually. Template measure move second leg. So we got plenty of space to get to the measure move second leg. Let me just check 1 hour time frame. Yes, we got some space. Good. So I'm gonna jump into 3 minutes time frame because I was checking this micro rotation from 3 minutes time frame. From 5 minutes time frame, it's gonna be hard for us to spot micro rotation because on 5 minutes time frame on gold, 3 candles, it can be like 300 pips. Okay, so that's why I jump into 3 minutes time frame. So let's wait for the price drop. It's good if we're gonna drop somewhere here. So we're gonna have two tries of sellers, and if we're gonna see nice reaction over here and the price will close above this exponential moving average, I'm gonna open the trade probably over here with the stop loss down here. We will see, but we need to wait for the price to drop a little bit. Okay, reaction and open of the day. I don't want to join now because, like I said, the price slowed down. You can see we are definitely slowing down. So let's wait for the price drop a little bit lower. Hopefully they're gonna drop down because of course there is a chance we're gonna go straight up. But if they're gonna do that, we're gonna try to look for maybe another place to entry the position. Okay, but in this case, it might be better to wait. No rush. I got my profit today, so mm, I'm not into rush. Yeah, let them drop. Let them drop. So gold is looking quite nice. There is a chance that we're gonna go straight up. Of course, there is a chance because gold is quite volatile instrument, so we can go straight up. They don't need corrections, anything like that. They can just go straight up or down. But we will see. I can see the price is slowing down, so I think we're gonna drop a little bit lower. So let's save this plan. Not like this. Okay, and stop loss. We can do it here or here. Here will be a little bit more safe for us. And we're gonna try to get 2 to 1. I don't need to get to measure move second leg, okay? Remember that sometimes the price is getting close and reverse. So if you are able to get 1 to 2 risk to reward and you can cash out before that, it's okay. If you see that the price is moving dynamic, you can try to move your stop loss candle by candle to make some more profit. Okay. So once again, okay, something like that. Just make a screenshot. Mm, very strange. I cannot save it. I don't know why. Let me just enter only like this. Mm, Can I win second time prize, sir? First time I won in third phase. Can I win also in fourth round? First 25 rank in both time. Good, good. The tournament is still on, so you can still win. I'm not saying no. Oh, you mean can you win second time prize? Yes, you can. The price is going straight up, which is no good. I'm still gonna wait for the pullback. Okay, so if we're gonna go a little bit higher, don't worry. We're gonna wait for bearish rotation, and maybe we can still open the trade from this area right here. Now the bullish rotation is confirmed. Mm, which is not the best case for me now because I was waiting for the price to drop and then. So now let them go a little bit higher, maybe bearish rotation, and we're gonna try to join the market a little bit later. Okay. So no rush. Let's leave it for now. Okay, we got GC. Let's check maybe crude oil. Hmm, interesting. Interesting because we are over here moving up. I think we can make a plan, but let me just check something. First leg, second leg, three legs nearly done. Nearly. So maybe it's gonna be better to wait for the price to get to third leg measure move, and we're gonna look for reversal maybe. But we can do that in the second, no rush. What about euro? Okay, euro Asian session. Asian session. Do we have range? Do we have trend? Um, mm, 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 mm. Looking at Asian session, I want to check what happened in the morning. Was it trend or range? It looks like the price was moving in some kind of rotation channel. So it's looked like there was a trend more than range. I know here the price stopped for a moment, but we can fit our rotation channel, which is good. So probably um, we are dealing with trend day, which means we can look for drop down probably because now we got reset over here. This impulse changed everything, and let's check how big pullback is it now. Okay, the price stopped just at the end of our pullback. This week is okay, I can accept that. But if the price will close above this area, probably we cannot do nothing in this case because our pullback, I'm talking about price action strategy. So we need to stop now, that's for sure. So we got our pullback. So let me check gold. Gold is going up. It's fine. It's fine. I know that you're running away, but it's fine. Let's leave it. So the price basically stopped. You can check rotation from the morning. Over here, probably, yes, small rotation right here. Bearish rotation, which was confirmed. Another rotation was down this in this area. Okay, another rotation. We got three candles right here, so basically we can count that, including this week over here. Correction confirmation. Then bullish rotation. Cannot say it's here because this is not confirmed. So we are looking at bullish rotation. But we are breaking through and we are at the level 0.786, which is no good for this strategy. Okay, bullish rotation. We can expect bearish rotation now, but the pullback is too deep for me. Okay, is too deep. If we were looking at this candle and the price would stop here and we had situation like this, okay, I could think about this trade to go down, but because we are breaking through, not really. Not really. Probably we will have to leave it for now. We need more information on this one because we went going up, then down, and something is changing over here. The price is going up again. So not really. Over here, okay, we got situation that a micro rotation from 3 minutes time frame is confirmed, which is good. We got to the top of to the high of today, which is also good. Yes? No, the high of today is over here. So now we're gonna wait for bearish rotation and we're gonna try to join the market to go up. Mm, no rush. No rush. We're gonna take it slowly. Okay. There is a chance that we're gonna drop down maybe to edge of rotation channel and then again maybe we're gonna be able to use that. We will see. We need to wait. We are late now for entry the position because the price is running away a little bit. Probably okay. Maybe we could enter position here, but I'm gonna take it easy. Like I said, I got profit now, so I'm looking for perfect situation. So I'm gonna wait. I don't need to open the trade. In a rule, only one time you can win, say by MFA Trader support chat. Okay, maybe yes. I need to check that. I cannot say yes or no. Maybe yes. Maybe you are only able to do it once. An open position on EURUSD on the bearish leg, but now the correction zone was broken. Yes. Euro is a bit unclear to me. Was trading earlier, but looking at the day as whole looks like range, and GBP USD in clear range to me. Yeah, GBP USD probably. Yes, GBP USD definitely range. over here. 100% range. It was 5 a.m. Maybe we could consider a range, but no, I don't want to change it now. Let's leave it. Gold is still going up, which is okay. We're gonna wait for pullback anyway. Okay, let's check out what's going on crude oil. This morning was very nice. The trade was placed over here with risk to reward 1 to 2. Profit done, but we are still going higher. So if we are looking at crude oil today, the price in the morning dropped down. So the day started with the trend. And now something is changing. We are going opposite direction. We are still in trend, but on the way up. So the first leg on the way up, this was this one here. The second leg was done over here. I think we got to level. Let's check it out. Look, perfect reaction at level 1382. Perfect reaction. This is in price action zone area where the price can reverse for a second. And so we got reaction here, which is good. All right. So first leg, second leg, and this is gonna be the third leg. So we can wait for the price to get to full measure move, and then maybe we're gonna look for bearish trade. Let me check something. Do we have any? I know I shouldn't mix that, but I'm just curious. No, we don't have. No. If you got questions about tournaments, I'm not sure. I need to check the rules. If you just write on MFA Discord, and you should get answers over there. So because I don't want to say yes or no, because maybe I'm gonna be wrong. So I don't want to do that. So this is gonna be our third leg measure move over here. Third leg measure move. Measure move third leg. So we're gonna wait for the price to get to third leg measure move. And maybe we're gonna look for some reversal, okay? Maybe we're gonna look for hidden rotation channel. We will see. Because if this is rotation channel, 1 second. And this rotation channel is working perfectly. Nice reactions from the bottom. This is clear rotation channel. Nice reactions from the top. Okay, so if we're gonna get here, the measure move will be done. First leg measure move. We might have situation like this. And maybe we're gonna look for continuation of bearish move. Maybe some hidden rotation channel. I'm not sure how it's gonna look how it's gonna look like. We need to wait for some more informations, but maybe we're gonna use this to go down. After 3 legs measure move, we can expect that the price will reverse. Will they reverse? I don't know. Maybe there will be continuation for fourth leg, fifth leg. I don't know. We're gonna look for reversal. If we're gonna spot reversal, we're gonna look for rotation channel and we're gonna try to go opposite direction, maybe to go down. Okay. But first, let them go higher. Of course, we don't need to get to third leg measure move because sometimes we got situations that 2 legs are done and the third leg not necessary. Price need to get there. Okay, not necessary. So no. In this case, we're gonna wait for the breakout. Let's go back to gold for now. Ah, we missed the trade. No worries. We might get straight to measurable second leg. That's okay. I only needed this little correction over here, and we would be in trade. We could enter aggressively over here, but I decided to wait for the small pullback. So we missed that pullback. That's okay. The price is running away. It's okay. We cannot catch every single setup, okay? Sometimes it's better to wait. Okay. So in this case, we can still look for the setup because this is a 3 minutes time frame. If we're gonna get to full measure move second leg, maybe we're gonna look for continuation. So for the this is first leg, this is gonna be second leg. So we're gonna look for third leg. So pull back after measure move. Okay, and we're gonna look for the trade. So let them go higher. This is some kind of spike move, so maybe we can use one of our spike setups. Okay, and maybe we're gonna be able to use it. We'll see. Okay. Euro USD, nothing special to be honest. Did we have any other plans this morning so we can review it? GBP USD 1 hour time frame. Let's have a look. No, the price is dropping, so no, not for today for sure. Gold, this setup is done already. This setup is done for reaction. Fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 12. Okay. All right. I thought we had another plan from this morning, but no, it's okay. So euro for sure, no. Mm, crude oil maybe yes, but we need to wait for the breakout. We need to wait for the breakouts. The price definitely slowed down a little bit. It would be great if we gonna get to third leg measure move, but like I said, we don't need to get there. If we're gonna see breakout, we're gonna look for nice impulse, break of market structure, maybe some hidden rotation channel, and we're gonna use that to make some profits. We'll see. Let them drop. We need more informations on the market, okay? Because I'm not sure. Maybe these buyers are still here. Maybe this is just small pullback. We will see. So we need to wait for that. So situation is clear. What about US 500? Oh, this is interesting. Small range in the morning, but then, hmm, can I consider this range over here? Only 4 hours. Just check something. Not really. Hmm. For this instrument, I prefer usually to wait till 3:30 p.m. Central East Time. Uh, Not sure about this range. It's more trend today, so not sure about this range, but there is a chance we're gonna go back up over there because we had, let's say, first leg over here. We didn't get the second leg. We had double bottom reversal. So we had double bottom over here, reversal move. Now we got pullback. But the correction is too deep. This correction is good for smart money, but not for price action cycle. It's definitely too deep, the correction. Nice, but it's not what I'm looking for. Uh, it's gonna be better to wait another 45 minutes and see how S&P 500 will react in that time. Then we got CL. Okay. We didn't get to measure move second leg, but who knows? Over here we got quite strong support resistance in this area around open of the day. So maybe if there's gonna be bearish rotation to this area, strong candle, I can maybe risk this setup 1 to 2, but I need to see the price drop down to this area. Otherwise, if we won't see this situation, we might go straight up. Then we're gonna look for this. Okay, so maybe pullback and continuation. There is a reaction at the top of rotation channel, and it's quite similar to this over here. undershoot and overshoot. Okay. What about you guys? Do you have any trades? Are you in trade at this moment? You are waiting for perfect setups. How is your trading day so far? This is looking good. Reversal can be nice option for us. Maybe. Maybe. So how is your trading day? Let me know. I'm just thinking to check any other currency pairs because I usually focus on those four. I don't know if I want to check another one. This one here, probably no. Mm, Nasdaq and Dow Jones probably. Oh, Dow Jones is looking nice. Okay. All right. It's looking much better. So let's check Dow Jones. What did you trade today? What did I trade today? In the on morning session, we had a plan on crude oil 5 minutes time frame. Two plans. One was saying to drop down to this area and the target at our target from all in ASAP strategy, and the other one order for reaction also at crude oil, and both of them are done. But this one here, I got stop out on break even because I tried to get 2 to 1. In the first place, it should be 1 to 1, but I changed it for 2 to 1 and I got break even. So this is the trade from the morning on crude oil. That's the profit of $3,587. And this one here, crude oil plus $67 because I got stopped out on break even. Yes, I know it's getting close to New York stock market open, so maybe I will wait. Yes, sometimes it's better to wait because many times we can spot reversals at the open. Okay, so the price is dropping down and we're gonna have US stock market and boom. I'm not saying like this, but we might go opposite direction. But it looks like we are in strong bearish trends. Anyway, let's have a look. This morning started with the small range, but this range lasts for only like 2 hours. We got this impulse right here. Let's check it out. Okay, this is correction to 0.618, which is perfect reaction. So let's check where is measure move second leg. Measure move second leg is done just now. Look at this perfect reaction at measure move second leg. So now we can wait for the pullback and maybe we can open trade for continuation. This is nice rotation channel. Look at this undershoot. I told you many times that if we got some kind of undershoot, it doesn't mean rotation channel is wrong. Okay, you can expect similar situation on the other side. That's what happened over here. So Small breakout here, small breakout here. They are nearly same. So we got first leg measure move, second leg measure move. So we can look for third leg measure move. But first we need to check rotation from the morning. So let me just remove that. We are looking at current day. This is 5 minutes time frame. I think we can move to 3 minutes. Let me just check. I think we can. Okay. So let's start from rotation. Over here, rotation, but this is not confirmed, unfortunately. And this is bearish, not confirmed. This is not sure. It looks for me that it's not confirmed bullish rotation. So let's leave it. Let's go lower. Over here, we got some kind of rotation, which is good. The first rotation. Then over here, I think this whole impulse right here, correction continuation, which is good. This one is also confirmed. This one here, probably. If not this one right there, but we can say over here, bullish rotation then right in this place. Bearish rotation, very nice, which is here, and bullish, bullish. No, no, no. Not yet. This is not bullish rotation. Maybe. Maybe. Maybe yes, because the price stopped. We got breakout after. Think we can count this one. Maybe. Yes, we can. Why not? So now we need to wait for the price to move a little bit higher. Okay. Let's check where is pullback zone from second leg. This can be our pullback zone. And what can we see on this chart? I can see this situation. If you look at here, we got some kind of small range, okay? Small range. So this kind of range, and then boom, sellers. So I want to mark this area because this might be trigger for sellers. Okay, I'm gonna change the color, style red, left sellers. Okay. Okay, so we might expect sellers, and it's somewhere close to 50% of our pullback zone. We might get, we might go slowly. And over here, together with top of rotation channel, we're gonna look for bearish rotation. The best if we're gonna be able to add trend line, and if the bearish rotation will break through the trend line, we're gonna wait for one of our setups, signal candle, and ready to go. But first we need to come back into this area somewhere. Okay, the best if it's gonna be seller's area together with top of rotation channel. That will be the greatest setup for me. Okay. And price is slowly going up. We got still 35 minutes for US stock market to open. So maybe then the price will move a little bit faster. Maybe you're gonna go get here and then boom. We will see. Maybe strange setup somewhere here. So we can look for the setup in this area. We are slowly going up, which is perfect. You can see the price is rotating in rotation channel. which is also very good. I'm gonna mark this area as well because this is close to the last level where I look for the setup, so 61.8. And this is some kind of support resistance zone. So maybe, who knows, if we're gonna get here and boom, rotation, bearish rotation, we might still have a chance. So this is the last place where I'm gonna look for pullback, okay? The best, if this pullback is gonna be somewhere here, this is the last area when I'm gonna look for the pullback. If we're gonna break through, probably the price will go higher, okay? So that's why this is the last place for me to look for the trade. So let me just save this plan. I need to finish in about 3 minutes time. So guys, let me just finish this plan. Sorry about that, but I need to finish early today. I need to go somewhere. So tomorrow maybe we're gonna do a little bit longer session. So from this place, I will look for bearish rotation. And it will be good if we can add trend line, and this trend line to be break by a micro rotation. Signal candle, of course, remember about exponential moving average because this is very important part of this strategy. So price need to close under exponential moving average. And I want to see reaction here. Why here? Because this is the seller's zone and this might be trigger for the price to drop down. Okay. And we can try to get 2 to 1 at least. We can try to get some more, but 2 to 1, probably yes. But I think we can 2 to 1 to low of today. This the place, safe place, but there is potential to drop down lower. Okay. So I'm gonna save this one. Okay, saved it. And we got price action cycle strategy. Come on. All right, don't worry. I don't have time to wait for this journal. I got 2 screens. I'm gonna put them later in the journal. So guys, we need to wait for this situation right here. I need to finish. So have a look at Dow Jones. It's looking quite good. And on gold, of course, we can look for third leg measure move, but we need to wait for the price to get to second leg measure move, then pull back, and maybe after there will be opportunity for us to open the trade. The rest here, if we're gonna break through this area of over here, so I need to see breakout, maybe retest. I'm gonna look for some uh, short. I'm gonna save this because this might be quite interesting for me, and we can look for some rotation channel. Okay, hidden rotation channel, maybe. I'm not saying yes. I'm not saying no. We might have a chance to go down opposite direction. Okay, so this might be quite interesting, but we need some more informations. Definitely after breakout, I will look for the trade to go down if I'm gonna have time because I need to leave in a second. So guys, thank you for now. Thank you for this session. I will see you tomorrow morning. Okay. So 9 a.m. We're gonna see each other again on our morning session. And guys, thank you for today, and I will see you tomorrow. Good luck with the trades and stay calm. Take care.